Three AI image generators, all incredibly powerful. All are very different, and if you're a designer figuring out which one actually use for your work, the answer is not it depends and just leaving it at that. In this video, I'm going to head to head with Adobe Firefly, Midjourney and DALL-E 3. I'm going to test them across real designs, real use cases, not just which one makes prettier picture. And by the way, till end, you will completely understand which tool is actually beneficial for your workflow. Hey everyone and welcome back to Justify Design. I'm comparing three of the most talked about AI image tools right now. And I'm going to give you my honest take on each one. So let's get into it. I'm going to compare these tools into categories that matters to me as a designer. Image quality and style range, commercial usability and copyright safety, integrations with design workflows, and ease of use. Let's start with a quick overview of each tool one by one. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's native AI image generator, and it comes built into apps like Photoshop, Illustrator and Adobe Express. The free version gives you monthly credit allowance. What makes Firefly stand out is two things. First, it was trained only on Adobe stock images and public domain content, which means everything you generate is commercially safe. You are not going to run into copyright issues. Second, it integrates directly into Photoshop generative fill feature, which is generally one of the most useful AI design features ever built. The style range tends towards realistic and editorial. It's great for product visuals, backgrounds, and realistic photo editing. Abstract and illustrative styles are less its strength. Midjourney is a tool that kind of started the AI art conversation in design industry. It runs through Discord and produces some of the most visually stunning, aesthetically refined images of any AI tool. The style range is enormous: photorealism, concept art, illustration, architect, fashion, branding visuals, you name it. Midjourney version 6 and beyond have raised the quality bar significantly, and the image consistency has improved massively. The limitation for commercial work is that the copyright situation is more complex. You need a paid plan for commercial use, and there are still ongoing discussions in the industry about training data. The free tier is very limited. It's also Discord only, which feels clunky if you are not used to it. For pure creative output quality, it's probably still the leader. For everyday design workflows, it actually has friction. DALL-E 3 is open AI image generator, accessible through ChatGPT. What makes it unique is the prompt adherence. It follows your instructions more precisely than almost any other AI image tool. If you write a detailed prompt, DALL-E 3 actually follows it closely rather than doing its own creative interpretation. This actually makes it particularly good for very specific design briefs, like an isometric illustration of co-working space with blue accent light and minimal furniture. It will actually deliver that rather than going off in its own direction. Style range is solid, but not as aesthetically refined as Midjourney. Free users through ChatGPT get a limited number of image generations per month. Alright, let's compare them category by category. Image quality and style range. Here Midjourney wins. The aesthetic quality is constantly the most impressive and the style range is the broadest. Firefly is close behind for realistic images. DALL-E 3 is solid but third tier. For commercial safety, Firefly wins, no contest. Adobe built it specifically to become commercially safe. Midjourney requires a paid plan and still has questions around training data. DALL-E 3 is generally considered safe under OpenAI terms, but is not as explicitly cleared as Firefly. Workflow integrations. Firefly wins again. The Photoshop and Illustrator integration is seamless and generally changes how you edit images. Midjourney and DALL-E 3 both require you to take your generated images out of the tool and bring it into your design app separately. Ease of use. DALL-E 3 is the easiest and you can just chat with it in plain English. Firefly is also very intuitive. Midjourney's Discord interface is the least intuitive for new users. So what's the verdict here? I would like to break it down. If you're a designer who works with clients and needs commercially safe images, use Adobe Firefly. The integration with Photoshop alone makes it worth it, and the commercial safety is a genuine advantage. If you're creating concept art, mood boards, or high quality brand visuals for your own portfolio, you can use Midjourney. Nothing actually matches its aesthetic output when you need something visually stunning. If you need precise control what gets generated and want to describe it very specific compositions, use DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT. The prompt accuracy is unmatched. Honestly, use 3 for 3 different jobs. The free tiers on Firefly and DALL-E 3 are enough to cover most use cases. and Midjourney's free trial is worth using to explore. And that's the comparison: Firefly for safety and integrations, Midjourney for visual quality, DALL-E 3 for precision. And can you tell me which one you are already using? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if it helped you make a decision. Subscribe for more design breakdowns, and I hope to see you in the next video soon. Till then, bye.